Hey guys, Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com. Happy Thursday. As you tune in, comment below, let me know where you are tuning in from and what the weather's like, where you are. It's 40 here, and I was talking to my friend who lives in I was talking to my friend who lives in New York this morning on FaceTime, and she was like, girl, what's the weather like down in North Carolina that you got on that big old sweater? And it's 40 here, but it's overcast, and I'm just sick of winter. I'm gonna share this into my free keto group real quick. If you're not in my free keto group, tap my nose, comment below, free group, and I will send you the link to join. And then I'll get started. Almost there, almost there. Oh, I should have played some music. Got some EDM up in here on this Thursday. Okay, I'm in. Okay, so, oh, Alexa. That's creepy, y'all.
Sorry, I don't know that one. The battery is currently low.
Alexa, play top songs.
The playlist, the top 100 most played
Here we go.
on Amazon Music.
All right. Wait, let me turn that down. Okay. All right. Focus. So, who loves coconut? We've got a brand new flavor. That's way too loud. We have a brand new flavor that just launched. If you have ever been a customer of mine, if you've ever tried these ketones, you know that whenever we do a new flavor launch, it sells out quickly. So, that's why I dropped what I was doing, hopped on here, because they gave me like a sneak peek. Basically, I got to get my hands on this before it became available to the public, but I bought 3 boxes. I immediately took them out, shipped them back out to other people. So these are the 5 that I have of Holy Grail. I got to try a sip of it last night at my friend Trisha's house, but I've been waiting to drink it with you guys. So it's called Holy Grail. If you're not sure what this is, these little packets of powder put you into ketosis in an hour or less. So I follow the ketogenic diet, a low carb diet, and I love it. I have never felt better. My skin has never looked better. I do not have on any makeup today. I'm not gonna get too close, but I have rosacea. I'm not making any medical claims, but I've spent lots and lots of money at the dermatologist on creams and pills and potions and all this different stuff. These have changed my skin completely. They give me more energy. They calm me down because I tend to run a little on the hot side. Just as far as overthinking things, and I just love them. Honestly, if you've never been in ketosis, you have to experience it at least once in your life, because it's sort of like being married. People can explain it to you, but unless you experience it yourself, you don't get it, okay? You think you get it, but you don't get it unless you feel it personally. Or like a mother's love. You can't explain that to somebody else. They either get it or they don't get it. So, anywho, ketosis, okay? So there are 3 ways to get into ketosis. The first way is to fast, which means literally stop eating, okay? Stop eating, don't eat, fast. Do that for a day or 2, you'll be in deep ketosis, you'll start to feel amazing. Number 2 is to watch every single thing that goes into your mouth. Enter it into one of those little obsessive calorie counters, okay? And keep your carbs under 20 grams or less, which is about the equivalent of a slice of bread, okay? Every single thing that goes in your mouth. Do that for about 5 days, and you should be in ketosis, okay? You're gonna start to feel amazing. Now the third way is, and I'm about to show you, you get one of these packets, you rip the top open, put it in some water. I don't like my drink super sweet, so I use 14 ounces. I know some people use 12, some people use 10. You can sort of dilute these to taste. I like 14 because I don't like it super sweet, okay? This is what you're gonna do. This is how you get in ketosis, okay? Ketosis 101. Rip that off. Now pay close attention because this is tough. This is really hard. You might want to take notes if you've got a pen and paper handy. Ready? You ready for this? Pour it in the water. Okay? See all that goodness? You want all that goodness popping out? Sometimes I lick that. I'm gonna control myself today. No, it smells really good. I'm gonna lick it. All right. Oh my God, y'all. Okay. This smells like a beach vacation, okay? Not like sunscreen, just like, that's what it smells like to me, okay? I don't know how to describe that. Actually, I just described it, but I don't know how to describe it any other way. All right, so that was step one. Pour it in the water, okay? Make sure you write that down. This is how we're gonna get into ketosis. This is step two. Got your pen ready? Got your pen ready? All right, shake it. Okay, make sure you write that down. Step two, shake it up. All right, now I do get asked pretty often about my shake, and I wanna tell you guys, it's not a shake, it's not thick, it's not chunky, it's not clumpy. This dissolves completely into your water, okay? So it dissolves like a Crystal Light. This is just gonna be flavored water for me. Like the most bomb flavored water that you've ever had because it puts you into ketosis. Ready for step three? All right, step three, make sure you're writing this down. It's very hard to do. I'm gonna drink this, okay? Okay. It is tropical, right? Okay. So Kathy, how would you describe the flavor? Because what I am tasting, and this is the funny thing about all these flavors that we have, is that somebody loves every single flavor, is somebody's favorite, and there's somebody who can't drink that same flavor. That's why we have so many options, okay? Because like, just try it. I have flavor samplers if you want to try different flavors and find your favorite. You just need one that's your favorite, okay? So this one tastes like, to me, it tastes like coconut water with like a hint of pineapple at the end, okay? That's what it tastes like to me. It would be very delicious with a teeny bit of rum, laying by the pool, making sure my kids have fun on their unicorn float, okay? That's like where my mind goes with this. And if you've ever had a keto cocktail, which I'm not suggesting at all, but if you've ever mixed any sort of alcohol with these ketones, you will know that you don't get a hangover the next day. It's kind of amazing. So these are definitely gonna make an appearance in my beach bag this year. So anyway, that's it. Step 4, get into ketosis. So I'm gonna sip this over 20 to 30 minutes. I do not suggest that you chug these, okay? I'm gonna sip it over the next 20 minutes, and then I'm gonna be in ketosis, which is fat burning mode, more energy, better fat loss. I've got a trip coming up in a couple weeks that I can use all of the, all the good. I'll take it all. The other benefits of this is that it's gonna curb my appetite. When I drink this, I probably won't be hungry. I'll probably have like a small snack this afternoon and then I'll eat dinner. It's gonna curb my appetite. It's gonna curb my cravings for sugar, and it puts me in a better mood. and it helps me sleep better at night. So there's like so many benefits, and there's no reason not to try it. We do have a money back guarantee. You get results or a refund. So if you're somebody who needs a little bit more energy, you want to be a little bit calmer or be able to handle the daily stresses better, if you want to sleep better, if you want better skin, like it's all good things. So this is going to sell out really quickly. If you love coconut, I'm going to put the link below and let you order a box of this. I'm also going to be offering like sampler packs of just this flavor. So I'll have to go in and update my website and post that below as well. So anywho, thanks for watching. Have a good Thursday.